Hey everybody, so I am coming to you from my newly finished bar in the basement that we've spent a couple months on, so I figured may as well make the first cocktail video down here. And today we're making a super easy one. It's going to be a champagne cocktail. So that's pretty basic, and you can get all these ingredients at your local supermarket, aside from the champagne. So for this one, I really recommend spending the most money you can on a good quality champagne because it will make a difference. So yeah, you can use the cheap stuff, but you get a cheap drink. If you want a really nice drink, get a better quality bottle. So what you're going to need today is Angostura Bitters. You can find these anywhere. You can get them in the supermarket. You're also going to want to get some raw sugar cubes. Usually they're in like an orange and blue box. Get the raw over the white. I find it gives a little bit of a nicer flavor. So what you want to do is you're going to take your sugar cube and you're going to soak it in the bitters. And by soak it, I'd probably do 4 or 5 dashes until it's dripping. And then take that, throw it in your glass. Grab your champagne. I already had one open, so there you go. And all you're going to do is top it up. And there you have it, a champagne cocktail. It gives it a little bit of a sweeter flavor from the sugar. You get that warmth, clove, and allspice cinnamon flavor from the bitters. So when you're looking for a champagne, don't get Baby Duck. It's way too sweet and it's really shitty. Go for something decent and something dry, maybe in the 9 to 10 grams kind of range. But here you go, champagne cocktail. Enjoy.